Good morning, students. How are you all doing? Hope you are all good. Let's have some fun with English now. Today, we are going to learn a new story from your English reader. If you have your book with you, you can open it. Otherwise, no problem. You can just look at the video and learn something. Okay? So let's start our story. K sounds like K. K. So you will find various words in this story which starts with K. Okay? As you can see in the first clip, there is a key behind the kangaroo. What is the name of the kangaroo? Cuckoo. The name of the kangaroo is Cuckoo Kangaroo. There is a small boy in front of the kangaroo, and you can see the boy, or you can see a kid is holding a thread in his hand, and they both are playing with that thread. And you can see a key is just behind the kangaroo. What are they doing? You can see one more little kitten is just behind the kid. So what are they doing? They are enjoying their kite. The boy is kicking a ball. There is a kettle on the table. The king is enjoying his tea. So, this is a small story where we have used various K words. As for example, in the first page, we have seen kid is playing with his kite. Kitten is watching him from behind. Kangaroo is holding the thread. Key is hanging on the tree. The boy kicks the ball. Ball hits the table, and the kettle also. King is sitting on his throne. So this is the story. So there are several case words which we have seen. K for kid. K for kitten. How does the sound come? K. K. Kangaroo. Kangaroo starts with K. Key starts with K. So key. Then you can see a kite. Kite also starts with K. Then we can see a king along with the kettle. King starts with K. Kettle starts with K. Boy kicks the ball. Kick, spelling of kick starts with K. You can make another sentence with kick. Krishna kicks the ball. See, students, I have made the alphabet K in red so that you can understand how we use and pronounce the alphabet K in words. Krishna kicks the ball. Alright, this you have to read this chapter like this and start pronouncing with K. Alright, we will meet again in our next class with a new story. Till then, have a good day, students. Thank you.